In Illinois, who inherits if you have no immediate family? If you don't have a spouse, children, or siblings, who inherits your estate in Illinois? Can nieces and nephews receive everything? This video will help clarify how inheritance works when your closest relatives are nieces, nephews, and their families. But before we get to the good stuff, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Kevin O'Flaherty with O'Flaherty Law. We've worked with thousands of families to guide them through the estate planning and probate process. Our team approach ensures that every client receives thoughtful, thorough legal service tailored to their situation. Now back to the topic at hand. So what happens without a will? If someone in Illinois dies without a will, the state's intestate succession laws determine who inherits. This process begins with a spouse, children, parents, and siblings. But if none of those relatives survive, the law moves to the next closest kin. Do nieces and nephews inherit your estate? Yes. If there are no surviving immediate family members, the estate passes to living nieces and nephews in equal shares. For example, if there are 9 living nieces and nephews, each receives 1/9 of the estate. What if a niece or nephew has passed away? If a niece or nephew who would have inherited has passed away, their children, your grandnieces or grandnephews, inherit their parents' share. This follows the legal principle of pars turpes, meaning the children step into the shoes of the deceased beneficiary. But what about the spouse of a deceased niece or nephew? Under Illinois intestate law, the surviving spouse of a deceased niece or nephew does not receive a share. Only lineal descendants, meaning blood relatives, are included in the inheritance process in this scenario. If you pass away without a will and have no immediate family, your estate will go to your nieces and nephews and to the children of any who are deceased. Spouses of nieces and nephews are not included. If you have questions about how your estate would be distributed or want to make sure your wishes are clearly outlined, give us a call or reach out to O'Flaherty Law. We're here to help guide you every step of the way. And if you'd like to keep learning, watch the next video that appears on your screen. It covers another important topic you won't want to miss. Take care.